Hi, my name is Kenny Domshine, and I recently purchased these 6 SwimJoy panels from Solar Pool Supply to heat that pool. So I had previous panels. I live in Florida, and Hurricane Milton came through here and destroyed those panels. And subsequently, I went to Solar Pool Supply because they had a better quality product than my previous and at a better price. And they just wanted too much locally to repair these, so I did it myself. Um, it was pretty straightforward. When I did have questions, I would call Solar Pool Supply for advice, and their tech support was very helpful in helping me figure out some things that I may have a little difficulty with. At any rate, I would highly recommend anyone getting pool panel solar panels from Solar Pool Supply. It was a pleasure to work with them. It was simple, and I highly recommend them.